Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into Discord and opening user settings. This is where most auto behavior lives. Once done, make sure Discord is closed from the system tray so changes apply cleanly. You need admin access if you'll edit system startup entries. On Mac OS, use login items. On Windows, use Task Manager. Next, go to User Settings, right arrow Windows Settings, or Mac OS equivalent, and locate the Open Discord toggle so you can switch off the app opening automatically at system login. Now you'll stop Discord from popping up during games or at login. First, in User Settings, disable the Startup toggle so Discord won't launch with your OS. Then go to User Settings, right arrow Game Overlay and turn the overlay off. That prevents in-game pop-ups and overlays. After that, open Task Manager, right arrow Startup, or Mac OS login items, and disable the Discord entry so the OS won't relaunch it automatically. Once those three toggles are off, Discord should remain closed unless you open it manually. Finish by restarting your computer and watching whether Discord opens on its own. This confirms the changes took effect. If it still appears, check Task Scheduler on Windows or Launch Agents and login items on Mac OS for stray Discord entries. Remove any extra triggers you find. If pop-ups persist, clear Discord's cache or perform a fresh reinstall to reset background helpers. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable background apps and test. That isolates whether another program is calling Discord to open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.